जय श्रीमन्नारायण. 14th श्लोका of 17th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Deva, Dvija, Guru Prajna, Pujanam, శౌచం ఆర్జవం బ్రహ్మచర్యం అహింసా చ శారీరం తప ఉచ్యతే. ఓం. Do not look at women considering them as an object of pleasure. Do not hurt any being in this entire world. Respect all the devatas, gurus, parents, enlightened people. Worship Supreme Paramatma. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Surrender to me unconditionally. Ma suchaha. Do not cry. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within our bhavana following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall not look at women considering them as an object of pleasure. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall not hurt any being in this entire world. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall respect all the devatas, gurus, enlightened people and parents and worship you as a supreme. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimannarayana, karishye vachanam tava. I shall obey your orders. Please make me as your best instrument. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీసుఖయోగీంద్ర. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవోభినేదుః. తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ సరస్వతీదేవి వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. ఇన్ శ్రీమద్ భాగవతం 8th స్కంధం, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshit Narendra. saying that, "O Parikshit Narendra, Devatas went to Paramasiva and praying like this, O Paramasiva, you are the one who is creating, preserving, protecting and withdrawing the entire universe. Tvam Brahma Paramam Guhyam Sat Asat Bhava Bhavanam." O Deva, you are Parabrahma. You are the one who is associated with so many powers. You are the controller of this entire universe. You are the one who is realized by only Vedas. You are the root cause of this entire universe. Pranas, Indriyas and all living beings, all of them have existence only because of you. All the procedures, the righteous procedures are you. Tvayi aksharam yat vivrutu amananti. You are the one who is known by Pranavam, Omkaram. Omkaram talks about you. All the living beings, all the entities finally unites you. You are the one who is abode for all living beings. O Sarvaloka Janaka, the Agni is your face, your mouth. Dharani, the earth is your divine feet. The time is your movement. The directions are your ears. Varuna is your tongue. And Akasam, space, is your navel. The wind is your breath. Surya, the sun is your eyes. Chandra is your mind. All upper worlds is your head. This is how enlightened people visualize your divine form and praise you. Like that, Devatas praying Paramasiva. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishno Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 17th chapter, 14th sloka. Devadvija Guru Prajna Pujanam Sauchamarjavam Brahmacharyam Ahimsa cha Shariram Tapavuchyate. Devadvija Guru Prajna Pujanam Sauchamarjavam Brahmacharyam Ahimsa cha Shariram Tapavuchyate. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.